Right now, is the complainant, the person with the complainant. That's the biggest problem. That's the biggest problem. And it seems to have tried. What is so? What is called look like a character without government socialism. You have to see the appeal of him, you have to get the money to come back.
Council, you want to advise how also to look at the car.
That's the case of the president. So now, it's possible to be here. Who can access himself? That's the story of Goliath. You are David. And before we solve some, who's invited this? That's what I'm not saying that it's out. But I'm saying that it's solve something. No? These are our children. We want them to go to school and do some investments of it. Don't destroy them when they go to the streets. These are our children. And once they are, because of our society. Just admit this young man, or if they just ignore.
Musa eyange yijeeko
and it was recorded on YouTube.
That is at police or
Police. Police.
at police. what steps you can do, but you seem to be much informed about the steps that you can take.
Then I won't set up.
But
I won't set up because of solution.
But I'll put it on record. It's good you know you have a great step that you can take to address that issue.
Yes, I won't pay. Thank you.
It is 5 minutes to 5 o'clock. I've had evidence of counsel for the accused as well as the state. I have about 30 accused persons to be attended to. New files from prison, where I need time to complete the same. In the meantime, I'll take leave to prepare this ruling and have a review of the man. So the ruling in this bill application is reserved for 13th of June at 10 o'clock. The accused therefore will remain in custody of the man until then. I just want to be sure that we shouldn't have received the national identity cards.
Sifuko bamuzizaayo okumira paka nga 13 mu mwezi guno ogw'omukaaga. Ivoni agenda akaaba omwami tebamutadde. Ivoni bwate bwavudde ku kkooti.